Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on HONOR Magic5 Lite. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here in the top search find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Last thing right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now there's next 3 different permissions, but they're might be not available for this device, so let's try to grant them. So first one is not available, and last 2 of them is enable show on lock screen and enable full screen mode. Let's check them out in app info, permissions. And it seems this phone doesn't have them, so let's skip them. And from here we can finally start using this app. We have 4 different tabs: user, system, active, and settings. In user you can activate any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps, and in the active you can find all apps that we've just activated. In the settings we can customize our LED lamp, but first let's close this ads, and here you can change color, shape, placement on the screen for the LED lamp. Let's click on the test button and you should be able to see it right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.